Yeah, welcome once again, my good friends. My name is young programmer Olum Ekene Rangsho. I'm here to tutor you guys on Group 6 on assignment that I titled Temperature. So remember, this video was being produced and prepared by two friends, Rangsho and Gandhi Berry. So let's see the questions. So here in our question, we are being asked to display the above information in bar and stock charts and calculate the highest temperature during the past 20 years, number 2, and the lowest temperature during the past 20 years. So let's see how we can solve this question using Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Thank you. Yeah, for you to open up your Microsoft Excel, you go to your start menu, choose all programs, over down to Microsoft Office and choose Microsoft Office Excel 2007, and it's going to be open to you like this. Yeah, so here definitely I've solved the question, but I'm going to show you guys on how we are going to solve this thing so that you know how to do it. So to get started, I have to create a new sheet 2, and let me input my datas. Yeah, so here to input my datas, input my datas like a serial number. If you do not put this serial number, your stock chart is not going to work. So we need to make it to be in 3 columns so that it could be able to work. So in serial number, we just put 1, 2, 3, 4, and rest of them. Then in years, we have through our data here, serial number 1 to 20 and 1985 to 2004. So let's start. So 1985, 1986, 1987. Now to make this thing easier for you, just highlight all of them like this. Over down, as you're overing down, it will naming the years. If it reaches to 2004, you now leave your mouse alone and you have something like this. And also in serial number here, you can highlight all of them and over down until it reaches to 1 to 20, you leave your mouse. So here to put in our data because of time. Yeah, so here these our data for these years and their numbers. So for us to solve for them, first of all, for the bar chart, you click here, highlight through here, go to insert, choose bar and choose 2D bar. So here we have something like this, but let's try to maximize it. So we have something that is looking like this. Make sure that is maximized and you make sure it's 1 to 20. Now for us to put a title bar, a chart bar, you go to layout here, choose your chart bar which is above the chart, highlight and type something like temperature. You can also name your own. It's not a must that you must use this topic this title name, and also put your axis title below the axis. You will now say that this is a bar chart. Highlight it and try to edit it by the font size of 16 so that it will be a little bit big. Yeah, drag it. So here green is being represented by the temperature, while red is being represented by the A. So these are the C area number. Now to put the data labels, click on your thing, go to layout, go to chart, go to data labels and choose outside end. You will definitely have something like this, but we're having a Gaga share. We're having a Gaga share, so we need to fix this thing. Yeah, for us to do this, all we have to do is to delete the serial number. Now to delete the serial number, click on your chart, right click and say select data. So when you go here, you select your serial number and click remove. Or when you look at it, you now see that you have removed the serial number, so that we could be able to see the temperatures. So these are the temperatures. Now to make this in a more beautified way, go to design and choose a color like this, and you'll be having something like this. I believe so this is going to help. So you have your numbers, have your years, and you have your temperatures here. So that is for the bar charts. Then for the stock charts, you highlight, go to insert, choose stock, or if you can't find it here, you can go to all chart types, click stock, and now choose this one. If you choose this second one, open, high, low, close, is gonna work. Is not going to work. If you choose this one, it's not going to work. If you choose this, it's not going to work. But make sure you choose the first one, the high, low, close. You click it and click OK. And you now OK it, and you now have this thing as your stock chart. So that's why I tell you, if you do not have a serial number in your number to specify the numbers of the years that you have, the stock chart is not going to work, because stock charts usually work with 3 columns of values. So here, this is our stock chart. Let's give it a title name. Go to layout, title, above the charts, and you now try to edit, like temperature, and then your this thing, you click on your chart and go to as this title, go to below the ties, and then type something like stock chart. Is actually a stock chart. So you highlight to make it a little bit bigger, font 16, and that is it. So we now have this. Now for us to put in our years, because the years are now showing here, so now for us to put in here, click here, go to layout and choose and choose your data labels, and go to more data label option, or you just click on your chart, right click and say okay, go to charts and go to data label, more data label options. And when you do that, you definitely see that he has also put numbers and also the values of the temperature. So click this value and just click OK. You now have something like this. Now try to expand it so that years could be able to enter. Years of the temperature could be able to enter. Without expanding it, it will be too strange. So like this, you can now see that your number is working with your this is working with this is working with this, the temperature. Now to beautify this, just go to design, choose a very good one. You now have something like this. Let's make this very big, 16 stock. So you can now see that you now have your stock chart and your bar chart. And I think with this, it's going to help you guys to solve your assignments. I'm still your friend, the young programmer Olum Ekene Rangshu. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, everybody must pass. All is well.